One day, you woke up tired as hell, and the only thing you wanna do is destroy your alarm and get back to sleep. But you can't. You pick up your phone, and the first news you read is China's banning Bitcoin and closing exchanges. You're scared as and you start researching. How do I store my cryptos? The answer is simple. A hardware wallet. So you get up from your bed, open your PC, plug the power cable cause your battery is old as take your gear out and start typing. What is a hardware wallet? Click on the first link cause who cares, skip all the technical nonsense details and go directly to the link that you know it will be somewhere in the text. Get your Trezor and you're done.
Got it.
Pretty hard to open without breaking the box. And maybe this is intentional. Okay, let's go. A standard USB to micro USB cable. This is a cardboard where you can write your seed, and this is the second copy of it. Oh, some stickers, and that's our boy, our small little guy. This is the white version. Okay, here we have it. So here we are at the end of the video. If you enjoyed this unboxing experience, give me a like and comment here below. Stay tuned for the next video in which I will cover the first setup of the Trezor Model 1. See you in the next video.